Hi, welcome to my channel. So today in this video we are going to convert this laptop adapter. It's fixed 19.5 volt output to variable. So we can adjust from minimum to maximum 25 volts, 3 volt 25 volts. So let's start. So first we have to do is to put eye on this feedback system. There are the two optocouplers responsible for feedback, and we have to work on this area. There is no TL431 and in this circuit, so there are many other videos in which they convert with the help of TL431 and remove their reference pin resistors. So here I have to check this IC first. Its number is 4301. So according to its data sheet, its second pin is inverting input pin. So we have to see which resistor is connected to its pin, this pin. So, and also we have to check its value. For this, take the multimeter and set it to continuity mode, and let's trace the path. We have to check which resistor is connected to the second pin. This is the second pin of the IC. This resistor is connected here and between the output and this is the point, and this is the other point. This resistor is directly connected to the second pin, and the other side of the pin is connected to the other resistor. These two resistors are in series, so we have to check we have to trace this connection. So we have to see which of the two resistors are connected in series in this network, and one side of them is always connected to the inverting input second pin of the main IC. So we have to remove this resistor. First of all, check its number. You can see that it's 88B. 88B number stands for 8.06K resistor. So let me remove this. And I am taking, so we have to take 50K variable with the 1K resistor connected in series, because as soon as we rotate the variable to zero distance, it will pop the feedback system and the charger will go trip. So solder these two points of the potentiometer to the footprints of the resistor. This is the second point. There is not too much space, so I will solder it to this point. So the connection is done. So if voltage goes above 25 volts, these capacitors will blast. Oops. So let's connect and check the output voltage. As you can see that it's reading 9.4 volts. So now if I raise resistance, the voltage is dropping. If I turn it clockwise, voltage is increasing. You can see that I'm not going more than 25 volts because the output capacitors are rated for maximum 25 volts. So in this way you can modify your laptop fixed adapter voltage to variable output supply. So if you have any questions regarding this feedback mechanism of the SMPS, you can ask me in the comment section. So hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for the next video.